Ramaphosa bhekisele whoever's the minister of police futhe ngicela nje umama umthetho ngezameza kwami izandla ngibambe ngimthethe ngoba kaphiki
nemvunulo yami ayikwazi ukuvunula ayikwazi ukulukuza lutho intaza nemvunulo yami mina ngisele nocezu lwembatha lapha ngamuva lamasimba lawo ubani lo muntu olamasimba lo muntu owenze lento uyanyanyisa lo muntu owenze lento uyanyanyisa nje uyanyanyisa ubengamnye ngalo muntu atatalaza nje yedwa njengohlanye uyanyanyisa nje ezongikhathalisa nalo muntu lona imvunulo yami isho bijalo shembe uNkulunkulu ezinomhlaba
ungizwe ufuna uba yiyo yonke into emhlabeni akikho into angafuna uba yiyo ayikho into afuna ukuthi ibe nespace sayo kuthiwa lento le inespace sayo uyayamukela nje ukuthi kunento angekho kuyona yabo ufuna uyihola phambili yona yonke indawo kuyiwaphi uye phambili hayi ngeke bafowethu imithi basala sikathele manje hayi sesi right ke manje yabona ke manje sesi right ke manje hey bafowethu sinenkingi lo muntu thibe lo muntu ufuna uba yonke lo muntu ufuna uba isangoma uyazi ufuna uba inyanga ufuna uba umfundisi
adlule lapho
ufuna uba umseleki wesithembu ufuna uba neredio yakhe ufuna uba umphathi stage ufuna uba umhleli womcimbi ufuna uba ungqongqoshe ufuna uba uzopolitiki ufuna uba igidangoma ugaxa ama-brass band into nje ongayazi yabo
ngihamba phambili
into ongayazi ufuna uba yiyo yonke into ufuna uba umculi kamaskandi ufuna uba yonke ayikho nje into emhlabeni ekuthiwa le nto lena i-relaxed akekho yena yabo uthi uyafika lapha sike sibizo zenzizwa ke thina thothi mhlawumbe ziyawushaya ekuthini nangu hola amabutho ufuna uba umthithelo amabutho hey yoba kithi
shota kadawo umgilitsha
wathi vele kuthiwa wathi vele ufuna umgilitsha beka yena njoba waye thothoza emfuna ngamafoni emthenga ngamafoni umgilitsha akazi umgilitsha ukuthi umkhakha hey abanye bangamazi umkhaya basaba senkingeni umkhaya akayidlaleli game enasicoco umkhaya mangabe eyodlala udlala sesazi stake umkhaya lo ayidlaleli game uyabona nje umbona ephithiza komgilitsha nje nemvunulo ufuna uba umthithelo amabutho ubane nalo.
But the next leader of Amabuto, because right now Amabuto don't have a leader, are you putting your name in the hat?
I can't put my name on that. I can't put my name. They will appoint Umtitieli that deserve that position. We can't say Amabuto don't have a leader. Amabuto they got so much Izinduna that are already commanding Amabuto. You have seen the parade that we did in Nongoma. It shows that there are so many Izinduna. There is Wabum Strong that you have seen. There are so many. They are just singing here because of Amabuto, Asembumbulu. They are here, Umbimbi. So they are doing excellent. So we already have our commanders. So we don't have a problem. And for him, for the next king, it's only in the next king Shuti that they appoint Umtitieli or Musha that will have a caliber of Umkilicha. And then if it happens that I get appointed, I'll definitely take the position and I will lead the nation because it's within my veins that I'm the proud Zulu person.
Ayikho ezokhuluma naleli qhwakhe leli ayikho into ekhuluma naleli qhwakhe leli liphathi sagila abanye abafana bephathi steering ayikho into ezokhuluma naleli qhwakhe hawu sabonta ngayabo sicebe lapho sizobhaphela mina ha shembe hey nayi ingane ngizala uNkulunkulu wami ha hey ha hey
Ramaphosa bhekisele whoever's the minister of police futhe ngicela nje umama umthetho ngezameza kwami izandla ngibambe ngimthethe ngoba kaphiki yena